They're so big. There are two of them.
I know, right?
3, 4, 5. This one is like flat, but this one is good.
That one is good. Like
blackish.
bulgy and nice. Yeah. Do you think that is good? Yeah, use that. Yeah.
Let's open it up. Ooh. I love eating the seeds. Are they edamame or something? Taste one, they're super sweet.
Hi friends, how are you? I'm doing really good. Thank you so much for all your support. Today we are going to do another garden episode. In this episode, we are going to see about this meter. This is a moisture meter and also a pH meter. This indicates how much moisture is there in the soil. And the second thing is I'm going to discuss about these. These are called as saucers, and these are also the plates under the pots. These are very useful. So I want to share the information I have with you guys today. And let's go. We noticed that even we give water to the plants regularly, the leaves always look dry. So we bought these saucers and placed them under the pots, and since then we are also monitoring the moisture levels in the soils. We are watering the plants when the soil is dry, and we are watering them until the water gets drained into the saucers. Now the plants are not getting dry at all, and also we can see a big difference in the growth of the plants, and there is a shine in the leaves too, and we are very happy with it. That's why we wanted to share these details with you today. And also I'm giving these links to in the description box. We bought these saucers and also the meter from Amazon. See, I'm just checking the moisture content in this plant. On the surface, I'm just dipping it a little bit. See, it is towards the dry side. Did you check? It is towards the dry side. And then now I'm digging it a little more deeper. It's a little better now, but still it is in the red area. So it is in the dry side only. Let's dig a little bit more deeper and see. So now it's in the middle. It's not wet yet. See why? You know why? There is no water in the saucer. The soil is acting like a reverse wick and absorbing the water from the saucer and supplying to plants. With water content is like full in the saucer, so we are checking here in this one. So let's check here. On the surface it looks dry here, but when I dig it a little bit only, it is already moist here. And then if I dig it like little bit more, see, it is towards the wet, right? So let's check a bit more deeper. See, now it is completely wet inside. Even we didn't water yesterday. This water is from day before yesterday. So it is very water conservative, and also it's a peace of mind that the plants are getting water every day because the water is there. I'm picking some ripe tomatoes today. And this is the biggest tomato. So I'm picking it today. It got stuck in between the stems. Let's see how big it is. Ta-da! Yay! We can make a good recipe with tomatoes, isn't it? Yes. We are also picking some bell peppers today. Our okra plants are growing really well. Remember these okra plants we have transplanted in our first episode? So they are really growing well, and see the small okras are coming. Yay! Yes, good job, guys, good job. Almost all the okra plants survived, and then I'm really happy for them. The Indian squash is really coming well. See how it is coming, and it's flowering now. Uh, I've been showing these okra plants and tomatoes and bell peppers and this Indian squash or anapakai from the beginning, right? That is why I want to update to you guys that they are growing well and also flowering and giving, some of them are giving fruits. So that's why I'm like, every time I will show some bits of these plants. Feel free to ask questions if you have any. I'll surely answer. I hope this video is very helpful to you guys. Share this video with anyone else if you feel like it will be helpful for them, and give a big thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for being my subscribers, and thank you for all your love and support, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. We will try to answer your questions, and your doubts and suggestions. Anything is fine. Leave a comment below. Bye bye.